Hi, today we are with Ben Golden, one of Aware's solution architects and Sitecore MVP. Thanks for joining us today.
Hi.
Recently you wrote a blog post titled Customizing Sitecore's Rich Text Editor Dialogues. That is quite a mouthful.
Indeed.
Can you talk us through it a little bit and actually share with us what sparked the need to write it in the first place?
Sure. So a developer of ours, Nathan, sent off an email to the developer group asking how difficult it would be to customize the Hyperlink manager in Sitecore's rich text editor. And I mean, that was nothing that I had ever done before. I hadn't read about anybody doing it either. So I started to dig in and do some research, just mostly in Reflector and doing some Googling around. At first it seemed like it was going to be pretty difficult because those dialogues are served up by a handler. The dialogues are basically embedded into the assembly. So it didn't look like there was going to be an easy way to customize it. But then, I mean, that didn't really sit very well with me because normally everything in Sitecore is really easy to customize.
Right.
So I kept digging, did some searching, and found a couple of forums on Teleric's website that indicated they normally ship a folder full of these user controls along with their package. So, but Sitecore didn't have that as far as I could tell. So I kept doing some more research and experimenting, and finally I found that I could just extract the user controls from the Teleric's assembly using Reflector. So once it was extracted, I could just stick it along with the other files for the rich text editor, and then all that was left after that was pointing the rich text editor to the right place. Just add an attribute in the editor page, pointing it to the external dialogues path. So after a lot of research, it ended up being pretty easy.
Well, great. Well, thank you. Appreciate that.
My pleasure.